Okay, you guys, so we're going to be making some keychains. And all I'm doing, don't mind my colors, I was playing with some paint. And these are going to be little round keychains. So they're going to be adorable. You know what, guys? Let me go wash my hands. Okay, so let's make these keychains. And I'll link everything down below like always. Just trying to peel it off really quick. And it peels up super fast, believe it or not. And we'll be making a couple of them. So this is the design that I'm going to add. It's going to be super easy and simple. This design, it's going to be the flower design. So I'm obsessed with this, so I'm going to continue with it, and I'm going to make, of course, I'm going to keep going. So let's go ahead, and once we do one or two, I'm going to show you really quick, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm going to get a little square right here. You know what, I'll get it from right here. I'll link everything down below, the paper, everything I used. How cute is this? So we're just gonna lift it. Can you guys see that? Yeah. We're gonna add it. We're gonna scrape it. And I already moved both of the tags on here. So this is how it's gonna stand in the keychain. So that's how I wanna see it. Now I'm gonna make sure I get this right. So if you see my head, it's okay. Now this might be in the way of the keychain. So I might have to cut that out. I mean, even if I do it. Okay, so maybe I'll just move it a little bit to the side and see how that looks. Okay. We're gonna scrape it on there. Now, if it doesn't fit, don't make it fit. But look at how it looks. Okay, you guys, so let me go ahead and show you I made it fit. All I did was I pushed it up and put it towards the side. So that's it. Just make your stuff fit, play with it till it does. And trust me, you're gonna get it to fit. And let's continue. So the next thing that I want to do is I'm gonna put them in these little things so you can see it in this white. Look how cute this is. And then I'll bring you close. And look how pretty this is. You guys see that? That is so pretty. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna go ahead and paint it and dry it up. So let's go ahead and place these the opposite way. And let's go ahead and paint them. So I'm gonna start with the green. I'm gonna paint all the leaves green. This is gonna be so pretty. Okay, sorry guys. So anywhere you see the leaf green, I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. And then when you turn it around, look how pretty that's gonna look. So let's go ahead and do that. And you can paint it as many colors and as many times as you want. I just want to make sure I get every leaf on here. Look how pretty that is. see right here. And right here. I'm gonna use my heat gun to just secure the color. So the heat gun is gonna be on low. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start the flowers. So the first color I'll be using is the pink. And I'll be using this gorgeous pink right here. And I'm gonna start this one. I don't wanna like go on top of another color, but I do wanna make sure that this pink is getting used. And then I just want to show you really quick. Oh, I'm messing it up. Look how pretty that's going to be. So I will do another layer once I dry it with the heat gun. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and do them all pink for now. Okay? And then I'm going to dry it with my heat gun. How cute is this? Because I definitely want to do 2 layers on the flowers. And anywhere I miss the green, it's okay. Come back, dip it in the green, and do your leaves. Okay? Grab your heat gun, and we're just gonna put it on the low setting, and we're gonna do that. These keychains are gonna be super adorable for any occasion. Go ahead and make your own. Let me know if you do. This is just on low. Don't do high. I don't want you burning the okay, so I'm gonna do it again, the pink, just to make sure I have a beautiful bright pink. And that's all. And I'm gonna do them all. And then you guys tell me what you guys think. I'm gonna heat press it. What do you guys think? And we move on to the final step. This is not taking long at all. Okay, I'm gonna show you, and look how pretty that is. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful. I'm gonna keep heat pressing, and then we're on to the final step, putting all this together. But I'm gonna go ahead and paint them one more time. Not the pink, I'm gonna do another color. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna use this beautiful purple. So we're gonna color the whole thing purple. Don't be afraid. Color the whole thing purple. light strokes. Don't be scared to color your finger. And we're gonna heat press that. So what do you think? You think it's gonna come out cute? I think so. Damn, that dried up really fast with this little machine. Let me turn it around and let me show you how that came out. How pretty is this? So I'm gonna go ahead and do another layer of the purple, and then I'm gonna come up and do the rest. Look how cute these are. Green, blue, purple, and then the pink. The next step is going to go ahead to be putting the chain on here. We're going to put a chain as well as a tassel. Okay, so those are ready. I'm just trying to get the pink ready. It's taking a little longer than I like. Okay, let's move on. These are ready. Let me go ahead and show you. Look how pretty this is. The last thing would be to clean it up. So I'm going to go ahead and clean it up myself. I'm not going to show you the process of that. Grab a little toothpick. Just clean it all up. And you're good to go. Okay? So I'll do that on my own so we can move on to the tassel. If anything, let me just show you what I'm going to use. The little toothpick. Okay? The next thing is to add the keychain. I think they came out super cute. So this is the keychain, and I'm going to go ahead and add a little tassel to each of them. So it's super easy. I'm going to be using my tools. So all I'm going to do is open it up. And you know what? I think it has a little chain here. I mean, if it doesn't have, I have. But I thought I saw it. Maybe I didn't. Okay, so I'm going to see if I could open it up and then close it back up. So all I'm going to do is grab one side. But I don't even, oh yeah, I see. And then grab the other side. Open it up. Okay. I'm going to add the little chain. And then I'm going to close it back up. If I can't add it, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and grab my little, I have little circles that I can add to this, but it actually closed up. So once I add it, I'm just going to close it back up. I'm sorry guys, I'm not showing you because I am in a hurry as I'm doing this DIY, of course. Okay, so it's in there. All I have to do is close it, and that's all I'm gonna do is close it back up. So look at, I'm just closing it back up. That's it. Then I'm just gonna grab it with my hands, and I'm gonna make sure it's secure, and it should be ready. Let me go ahead and add all the tassels, that way it's simpler. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna almost end this video. So I had to show you how I open it up. I'm like, how can I skip a step and not show my subscribers? So here you go. We're gonna open this up. You grab your pliers. And it's a little hard because it's so tiny. But once you have it, you have it. Okay, once you open it up, you grab your tassel. And then all you're gonna do is close it back up. I know I kind of wanted to skip this step, but I'm like, I have to show you. And then that's it. Okay, so we wait for these to dry, and all you're gonna do is match up your keychain with the one that you did. Put it in. And there you go. How pretty is this though? Let me show you. So let me go ahead and put them all in. I'm just going to show you. And then I'm just going to clean them up with a little bit of water or a little alcohol swab. And then the keychain should be set to be given as a gift. I'm going to definitely put them in a little bag as well to just give them out, because I'm not just going to put them in like that. I'm going to actually put them in a little bag. In a clear little bag, which I can show you guys. And the last one's gonna have a white one. Oh no, didn't I add this one? I must have not added it. Sorry guys. But yeah, I'm gonna put them in a clear little bag and then give them out. So all I did was open it, put it back in, and then grab the little thing here and then close it back up. That's how you're gonna do. Close it as tight as you can, and that's it. Let me go ahead and add it in here. And then let me show you the little bag before I leave that I'm gonna put it in. Just little cute clear bags. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys like them. I'm gonna go ahead and look for those bags right now. And they are ready to be given to teachers, to moms, to Easter, to any occasion. Let me tell you, any occasion, you can go ahead and give them out. Now, I will be adding them to these little clear bags. And yeah, until next time, bye you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and bye.